What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy Friday, TGIF. We're going to finish the week looking at 3 strong charts. Okay, we're going to look at the charts of Tectum, ticker is Tet, which is a layer 1 and a layer 2. Also Ubxs Ubxs, which is a RWA play, token out real estate tokenization, real world assets. Okay, and we're gonna look at that. We're gonna look at what they're doing. I'm gonna talk about their community. We're gonna look at the numbers really quickly, and I think this one could be one to watch. And also we're gonna look at probably what's gonna be one of the better real world asset performers, real estate asset tokenization, Rio, ticker Rio. Okay, we're gonna look at those 3 charts, and then we're gonna head on out and try to enjoy our weekend. So without further ado, let's do this. I know I was gonna do a tutorial on Rio, and I apologize that I haven't. So let's just do Rio first. A tutorial on how to convert your from one chain to another using the Rio wallet. We'll do that. I'll do that, but maybe next week. But first, it's because the charts have been moving, altcoins have been moving, and we really need to get an idea, because that's kind of the most important thing, right? I want to know, where this project is as far as price. Is it a good entry point for me to be DCing into? All right, so that's why I'm showing you these charts, and obviously I want to be in the best projects possible, and that's why I'm showing you the projects that I'm showing you, because I think these all have 100x potential. All right, low cap gems, obviously they're risky because low caps and crypto are risky. All right, so first one, Rio network, real world asset play. Okay, price 27 cents, and since October 12th, 23, we've been going up steadily, and now we are kind of here. We are here firmly in this ascending channel and up against this descending line, right, where we've broken through a couple of times. We did it around April 2023. We just peeked our head over it August of 2023. Now it looks like we are working our way towards this area to see if finally we can break it. Now, how long has this area been, this descending line been there? Well, since January 16th, 2022, more or less, when we started going underneath it and playing with it, trying to get through it. Now, what I can possibly see is this, right? Shoulder, a head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulders. This would be the neckline. This is what I have right here, and this would be more or less, if this pattern does play out, which it seems like it might. We have to break through this. We could be going up to $4.08, guys. Okay, that's if this pattern plays out. Right now, it is looking like that, right? I don't know. Maybe someone else might tell me something different. But that's kind of what it looks like to me. And if it does, again, we're looking at $4.12 more or less. And let's go a little bit deeper in here. Do see somewhat of rejection, although we haven't gotten close. But it seems like we are just steadily going up, trying to get some steam, hopefully breaking through this. If not, maybe we do finally stay right here on this ascending channel. On this ascending line, before eventually breaking through and doing what we need to do. Hopefully get to $4. That would be pretty cool. We're at 26 cents right now. Real world assets, they're gonna be killer. Okay, guys. And this one has a market cap. I forget what it is. It's low. It's less than 50 million. I think it's around 30. All right, but don't quote me. Maybe it might be slightly more, but I'm pretty sure it's less than 50. My bags are packed and ready to go with Rio. If there's a drop in the market, like some people are saying, and you do feel kind of that buzz, like there might be a drop, but I don't know. I did TA analysis yesterday, so if you want to go see what I think of the markets, go look at that video. Ubxs is the next one. All right, we're gonna keep it in real world assets, because I think real world assets are gonna be amazing. And now my bags are packed with Ubxs, but what I've been seeing lately with this project, I don't know. I'm starting to get like kind of FOMO, and I really shouldn't, because this is my average buy price. I'm finally over we're at 0.043 cents, right? And my average buy is 0.038. All right, I have a nice bag. This thing is less than $1 million market cap, okay? We're gonna look at the numbers shortly, but let's look at the chart really quick. We've gone over this area of that was resistance since I would say about August 2023. We tried to get through it, we failed, we got rejected really hard, and now we're on our way back up again, trying to see if this time is a charm. See, look, this is a more or less how I would see it, a head and shoulders, and that one played out because it did drop. All right, so sometimes these patterns do play out, and this one's kind of a weird head and shoulders, right? But I mean, it's you can still see it. There's the shoulder, this is the head, and this is kind of like this is the head, and this is kind of like the other shoulder right there. All right, and then you see the neckline from there. It's funny that we ended up really dropping more or less right around here, a little bit more. So you know, that's cool that we can see these little patterns and kind of get an idea. And this could be what, a W, a double bottom, but really it's the bottom was here, a bottom was here, a bottom was here, a bunch of bottoms right there. Let's dive and see. Boom, 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 boom. And then, all right, finally we are up. Now, this is a nice break. Now, I would like to see it over 0.041, and it's still super early in this project, guys. The market cap isn't even $1 million yet, but it's getting close. Not even $1 million market cap, guys. Fully diluted is at 3 million, but there's going to be some changes to that. So let's actually take a look right now. Let's go here. All right, so here we go, 38 cents. Market cap 918,000. Let me just refresh to make sure. Okay, here we go. 0.0433 cents. Market cap just broke $1 million. All right, 24-hour volume 257,000. Fully diluted is 4.2 million. But this is incorrect because this right here, this number right here, is going to be a lot lower. In fact, this is the scoop, guys. Okay, and this is what happens when you look into these in these chats. WattsPay is also a killer. Another great project, but let's see if I can't find UBXS. So the two things I want to talk about UBXS is they're burning. They're gonna burn tokens. All right, next year, basically every quarter. And then the other thing I want to talk about is the staking. But the staking is a little strange, so I'm gonna try to explain it to you as best I can. All right, but first things first. Let's talk about the burns. All right, what they're gonna do. Well, that's the staking. What they're gonna do, let me go back here really quick. Remember, oh yeah, and they're also gonna do a real estate marketplace in November because that's what they're focusing on. But I wanted to show this. Ubxs team will reduce UBXS total supply from 100 million to 50 million. The team burns their tokens, reducing the total supply by 50%. When is this gonna happen? By the end of 2024, they want to have it completed every quarter. Beginning of next year, more or less, they're gonna burn every quarter until this number is 50 million. All right, at the end of 2024, that is what they're gonna do, and that's pretty cool. So this market cap is actually, I mean, this fully diluted is incorrect. The fully diluted is half of this, right? 2.2 million. Okay, guys, and right now, when that becomes the case, this tokenomics will be way better, and that's going to be at like 50% basically, right, instead of what it is currently. So that's pretty awesome. 26,000 watch list guys for something that's, you know, $1 million market cap. These guys seem like they're on top of things. It seems like they are working, and they deserve to get a shout out, and they deserve maybe to get some more of my capital to put in. I'm happy with my bag right now, but it could be better. Now the other thing, and it's still super early, so I'm really looking at it very strongly to considering putting some. Maybe after this video I will. All right, and then the other thing is staking. This is their website, and then you can go to staking. Now the thing with staking is you have to. They do it by affiliates, so you can't just get your tokens and then put them in here. You got to use MetaMask, obviously, but it won't allow you because you need to use somebody's link. You need to use somebody's link and to do staking. All right, so you can go in the chat. I actually have a link. I will provide it down there. I haven't done staking yet because from my understanding of it, it's you have to have it locked for 180 days, guys. Okay, and then the other thing is that you convert your UBXS tokens to NFTs. All right, and from there once the period is over, they convert back. You burn your NFT and you get your tokens back, which I think is kind of strange, to be honest with you. But I mean, hey, you know, if it works, it works. And I do like the affiliate link a little bit, you know, because it helps people get some money, right, or get some tokens or whatever. The APY, the percentage is 24% to 100%. So you could double your bag staking, but again, you have to convert it to a NFT and then convert it back. So I'm gonna look into it a little bit more, and I will report back. But I did want to mention that to you guys because it's interesting, and this project I think is actually pretty cool. I like what's going on in there. The community is vibrant, and the team, the people behind it are. They seem like they're on fire. They seem like they're working hard to make this thing grow. All right. So they're very communicative, and that's very positive. I like it. And I'm thinking of putting more capital in it in UBXS. All right. This might be a gem that could fly, and it's so low market cap. I mean, the returns could be huge. All right. Next, Tectum. All right. Tectum is looking awesome. I am so glad I am in this project. I did a video on them not too long ago, so if you want to take a look at my library, you can search there. Ooh, look at this pullback. See, now I thought maybe it was forming a reverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish pattern. All right, like the previous one that we were just talking about in Rio. So if that's the case, that thing could go. Let's see. Let's just speculate a little bit. Right around here. This would be more or less around here. What I think. So that could probably be around almost $10 to $9.60. All right, really speculative right now. It doesn't look it, but I mean this candle, I mean this long wick might be something like right here, right? But just kind of like in reverse this way. So it could be like trying to get through this. We really haven't. We've bumped our heads. We really got through it, but now look at that big rejection. So now maybe we do come the other way. Maybe we do form a shoulder. You know, how low does it dip? I don't know. Maybe not as low as this, 480, but maybe in the fives. Hopefully, maybe in the low fives would be cool. If it does, and I do see that shoulder forming right around here, I will start buying around here, guys. Again, and my bags are already packed. This is another one where I'm like, I could add some more. I've been watching it. Community is great. Team is great. Project looks great. This is definitely one that should be on your radar, guys. And I think that's it. Really quickly, we'll do a little bonus Wtk just to get an idea of where Wtk is. Where are you, Wtk? WTK is the ticker. Broke right through. Look at this bad boy. And this line right here, this line of resistance has actually been there for a little while. Since when did we lose it? Since June. 29th of June 2022, guys. All right, so we've been below that for a while, and now we are finally over it. This thing is looking bullish. Could the next stop be at almost 8 cents? We're at 4 cents right now, right? My average buy, it should be a little bit higher now. I have to go back and do the numbers. It should be higher now. I thought I redid the numbers, but let me see. No, I got to go back and do the math to make sure, but it should be higher. It should be higher because I bought this dip. I was so lucky, and I had another buy order just underneath it too, but it didn't. Once it did this, and it went back up. But I mean, at least I added a little bit more at a good position. So, anyways, I'm still in really good profit. My average buy is still really low. This thing could be fantastic. All right, so there's Wtk, definitely one to look at as well. Chart looks really strong, and we are over this. I think probably, we probably before we go up here, maybe we could retest this area to make sure that now it is support, and if it does, that area is 0.036. Not a bad area to buy, because after that, if we don't lose it, then we're going up here. And the way things are looking, everything's looking so bullish. The bets should be, your bias should be towards the upside. All right, guys. So there you have it. Friday, gave you a look at Tectum, UBXS, Rio, and I gave you a bonus of Wtk. Pretty cool projects. If you don't know them, you should. They should be on your radar. Low cap gems, man. That's where the real money is at. Okay, you can make money in Bitcoin, but not to the level of altcoins, low cap altcoins. You can make life changing money with relatively little little capital, relatively little capital. Obviously, the more capital, the better. But it's risky, so you got to know what you're doing. But one of the biggest things is knowing which projects to get in. And I just gave you 4 projects that I'm in. All of them, I'd consider putting more money in, just depending on if I can get some good entry points. If not, then I'll ride with what I got, how I got it. All right, so, but I'll let you guys know. Obviously, I'll make more videos regarding all that stuff, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I did see some comments. I'm gonna read over the comments and reply to them now. Thank you so much for that. One comment I did read talking about compete. The guy said it's 3% tax, and you're right, buddy. I apologize for that mistake, but I should have been more precise to what I'm saying. 3% tax, and then you have to add that 1% for Uniswap. So essentially, you're still paying 4%, but 3 of it is for the game, and 1% is for Uniswap. So hopefully they can get on a SEX. It's not really on their radar right now because they're focused on the game, which is cool. I respect that, but man, we got to get off of that. The Uniswap is killing me. I hate Uniswap. I don't like Ethereum network for doing transactions. But anyways, we'll leave it at that. Thank you guys. Have yourselves a great weekend. See you guys Monday. Peace.